So, look, well, so we're back at Don Castro. We went 2 days ago, but today we're back. After we went that trip, we made a contraption because all the crawfish have been eating all our bait. This super stinky bait. We caught 5 because it's not disappearing. So it's right over on this pond. They're just jumping on shore. I can see another one. He just started backing, but he's on the log. It's right next to it. Right there. He's right there. You can see him. Their claws stick out and their feet stick out. I just saw another one. There's so many on shore. And you'll know when you have a crawfish, you'll start walking away or start bobbing up and down. But when a duck goes by, it still might bob up and down. Like that, that. That might be like a sign of a crawfish. See? Yeah, I could. No, there's something there, but I knew. They're around Don Castro. Up here. You know that lake?
What?
Yeah, that's a crawfish.
Yeah, you got it. Another one.
See?
And how many have you caught already?
5, I think. This is 6.
Let's see, it's your bag. Let's hear how many you've caught. You've got a bag and a tree.
Crawfish is very hidden. That's all mine. 8. No, you're not going to get away.
I'm going to open it up so you can see.
That's all of them. All I did is get my crawfish in the bucket. Must have been too heavy. It's too heavy.
It's getting too heavy.
I think someone has to hold it now. Right over there, that's gonna come my last. Well, right next to it, but not close. So when it moves, bobs up and down, that's a crawfish. But if it goes jerks sideways, that's a bluegill. Bluegill live in the same habitat as crawfish, but sometimes it may be that lake doesn't have bluegill. So, yeah. Bluegill. There's a bunch of sticks where crawfish live. You might get snagged if you use a hook. If you use this, then you will not get snagged. Only if it's so much weeds, then you will. Give it a little bit of slack, and when it starts moving or bobbing up and down, then take it out. You might have a crawfish or a bluegill.
All right, go.
So you can use it at the edge of the lake if it's like a curve under, and you know there's crawfish in. The crawfish will be hiding inside the crack. There's a crawfish over. I just caught one. It just jumped back in. And when you have one, you can lift it up sooner because the crawfish, and if you drop it right next to it where you had it, you can drop it right next to it and you might have one.
You there?
Yeah, still there.
You got him.
That's a keeper. Don't you think?
It's a nice one, yeah.
Woo! Almost had me there. Gosh.
Hold up that, let's see.
I got 2 while you're gone. This is 0.
So how many did you catch overall today? Let's go look.
I caught about 10. But I released 1 because they're super small.
Yeah.
So it's a 9.
Here you got them in your bag here. Hey, you want to open them up and see? Yeah. And then we'll head. What do you got? Oh, you want to pour them out and see what we got?
They crawl away.
Yeah, you can grab them. Put them back in. Get rid of the little ones. Right here. Okay. So, Isaac, you want to come check it? Isaac, look at.
So most of them are pretty big. All of them are big.
Yeah.
That's a monster.
That's true.
It's a monster.
Okay.
It's gonna be hard. I need help.
Watch out, you're gonna about get one on your foot.
That. Ow.
You gotta be mindful. Okay.
We need some help getting all these back in.
All right. Okay. All right.
My invention was a success. We just caught one more. Had a couple of blue bites right here. We were this is very simple how to make. You need like this type of wire, chicken wire, and you kind of like curve it up, get those spikes and bend it down, and then you have yourself basically the same thing that I'm using right here. This red.
Let's see.
This and then all you need is like a super stinky bait. Put it in there and you'll probably catch a crawfish if you know where crawfish are. But you also might get a bluegill on the stake, but you're probably not going to reel it in. But if you want bluegill, then you should probably I had one. You should probably use a hook instead if you want to catch a bluegill. So I know. I guess I'll see you next video.